Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Smartsheet with Zapier. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automate workflows between Smartsheet and thousands of other apps, saving you time on repetitive tasks and keeping your data synchronized across platforms. First, open your browser and head over to Zapier.com. Once you're on the site, log into your Zapier account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Zapier dashboard where you can manage all your automated workflows. Now look for the Create button and click on it. From the options that appear, select Zaps. This is where you'll build your automation from scratch, connecting Smartsheet to other apps in your workflow. Next, you'll need to set up your trigger, which is the event that starts your automation. Click on the trigger field and choose Smartsheet from the list of available apps. This tells Zapier that you want to start your automation based on something happening in Smartsheet. On the right side of your screen, you'll see a section called Trigger Event. Click on this dropdown and select the specific event you want to monitor, such as Updated Row. This means your automation will run whenever a row in your Smartsheet gets updated, which is perfect for tracking changes in real time. Now you'll need to connect your Smartsheet account to Zapier. In the Account section, click to log into your Smartsheet account. You might be redirected to Smartsheet to authorize the connection, so just follow the prompts and grant Zapier the necessary permissions. Once that's done, you'll be redirected back to Zapier. After connecting your account, click on Configure. This is where you'll specify exactly which sheet you want to monitor. In the Select a Sheet dropdown, click it and choose the specific sheet from your Smartsheet account that you want to use for this automation. Next, you'll need to select a column to monitor. This tells Zapier which column it should watch for changes. Pick the column that's most relevant to your workflow, whether that's a status column, a date field, or any other important data point. You'll also see an option for Include Created. Choose either true or false depending on whether you want the automation to trigger when new rows are created in addition to when rows are updated. Setting this to true gives you more flexibility in capturing all relevant changes. Now it's time to set up your action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click on the Action field and choose the app you want to connect to. For example, if you want to send an email notification, select Gmail from the list of apps. Then choose your action event like Send Email or Archive Email, depending on what you need. Just like before, you'll need to connect your Gmail account in the Account section. Log into your Gmail account and authorize Zapier to access it. This connection allows Zapier to perform actions on your behalf. After connecting, click on Configure. Here you'll customize your action. In the Message field, input the message you want to send. You can use data from your Smartsheet trigger to personalize the email, making it dynamic and relevant to the specific row that was updated. Once you've configured everything to your liking, you're ready to activate your Zap. Click the Publish button to turn on your automation. Your integration is now live and will automatically run whenever your specified trigger event occurs in Smartsheet. And there you have it. You've successfully integrated Smartsheet with Zapier to automate your workflows. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.